good morning to all of you. Today, in our first video, we saw the difference between the front end development and back end development. So today, आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? आज हम front end development course अपना start करने वाले हैं. We all know that guys कि हमें front end development में three languages, जो three basic building languages है वो we have to learn first. That is HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, which is used for styling, and JavaScript is used for the logic, and HTML is used for the content. Basically, so हम HTML के साथ start कर रहे हैं. तो first of all, HTML, what is HTML? The HTML is the hypertext markup language. Basically, a meaning of markup language to define the element within a document. Basically, HTML का use क्यों हुआ? To provide the content. आप HTML में बहुत सारे टैग्स हैं, पैराग्राफ टैग्स, लाइन टैग्स, हेडिंग टैग्स, टाइटल टैग, which is used, body tag, which is used for to define the content and the layout of the page that is used in our websites. So HTML, that is why it is called a markup language, that is define the text in the screen, in the website that you have made. Like so HTML आगे start करने से पहले we have to go in the past कि what is the history of HTML, why it is started, क्यों हुआ ये start, क्या reason था इसके बीच. तो there is a contractor in at Sun which whose name is Tim Berners-Lee proposed a project called Enquire to help Sun researcher to share the document. Basically Sun में बहुत सारे researchers हैं जिनको अपने document share करने में दिक्कत होती थी. तो Tim Berners-Lee proposed that कि एक software होना चाहिए that helps to share the content over the page, over internet, so that they help some researcher to get the specified operation information in very less time. So from that point of view, in 1989, Tim Berners-Lee wrote a memo proposing an internet-based hypertext system. The first available document description on HTML was proposed on 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee. Today that we are using a HTML5, but HTML has five version. Basically, the first proposed by the Tim Berners-Lee, and the second is HTML2. You can see on the document the date of the versions, and HTML3. Uh, HTML3, HTML4, and the latest, which was proposed on 28 October 2014 with many upgradation, which is HTML5. So basically guys, अब हम इसमें हम एडिटर जो यूज़ करने वाले हैं वो विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड यूज़ करने वाले हैं. तो इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू कॉन्फ़िगर एंड डाउनलोड एंड कॉन्फ़िगर. सो हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. सो गो टू दैट URL which you have seen in the video. The download as user installer. I have already downloaded, so I will show you how to install it. Just double click it. It is very simple. Everyone can do it. Accept the agreement. Next, create a desktop icon and wait for the installation. Basically in this video we only covers the theory of HTML and the editor that we will use. In our next video we go forward basically for the difference in HTML4 and HTML5, why we use now HTML5 not 4, and also basic tags, so that we can the basic architecture, so we can start our coding step by step. So now it is downloaded and open, so it is fine. You can download the Visual Studio Code. So that is all for this video guys. In our next video we are start with the coding examples, that how to perform HTML coding in very different ways for the page layouts. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please like, subscribe my video. Thank you.